Good morning, children. In the previous class, just we have practiced, we have solved problems related to perimeter of rectangular park, rectangular garden, rectangular tablecloth, all this. Now, today we are going to learn about finding perimeters of some regular shapes. Before that, I'll give you some formulas. First of all, write all these formulas. Triangle means A, B, C. That implies perimeter is equal to A plus B plus C units. Am I right? This is the triangle perimeter. Am I right? Triangle of perimeter is equal to A plus B plus, because we have three different sides. Now, second formula, perimeter of regular polygon. Sir, what is this regular polygon? What is a polygon? Is a simple closed figure with line segments. Regular polygon means all the line segments should have equal length. All the line segments should have equal length. Whenever all the lengths are equal, then it becomes under the regular polygon. Okay, children. Now, so regular polygon formula, if number of sides can be denoted by n, then n into length of the each side. Therefore, formula number of sides into length of the side. That implies n into L. Here L means L is length of side. Okay. Now, for example, equilateral triangle. Equilateral triangle means all the sides are equal. Na? All the sides are equal means how many lengths will we have for triangle? 3. Therefore, perimeter of equilateral triangle 3L or 3S. Next, perimeter of pentagon, regular pentagon. Pentagon means 5 sides. 5 into L. Hexagon means 6 sides. Regular hexagon only, not hexagon, regular hexagon. So hexagon means 6 into L, like that. Okay, is it clear? That is why common formula I have given here, number of sides into length of the side. So number of the sides n, so n into L. Okay, now write these two formulas. Later I will go for solving problems related to these formulas. Okay, write it. Now let me explain some problems. First question, example 6, page number 11. Example 6, page number 11. I'll read the question, children. Listen me. Find the distance traveled by Shaina. Find the distance traveled by Shaina if she takes 3 rounds of the square park of side 70 meters, if she takes 3 rounds of the square park of side 70 meters, okay, this is the square park now. Okay, what is this length? 70 meters. Square means it's a regular polygon, na? All the sides are equal, na? That is why all 70 meters. Now, given side of the square park, S is equal to 70 meters. Therefore, perimeter of the square park perimeter of the is equal to 4 into, yes, 4 into 70, that is like 280 meters. Shaina made three rounds. Therefore, distance travelled by Shaina is equal to perimeter of the park into 3 into perimeter of the park. That applies. Why is this 3 into perimeter of the park? Shaina made how many rounds? 3 rounds, na? 1 round distance is equal to 280 meters. Therefore, 3 rounds. 3 into 280. That applies 0, 3 8 24 to 8. Therefore, how much distance does Shaina made? Traveled 840 meters. 840 meters. Okay, na? Write it all. Write this. Okay, children. Next one. Example 7. Example 7. Same page number 211. Page number 211. Example 7. I'll read the question. Listen me, everybody. Pinky runs around the square field of side 75 meters. Bob runs around the rectangular field with length 160 meters and breadth 105 meters. Who covers more distance and by how much? Here, Pinky and Bob, two students are given. One, Pinky travelled with a square park. How much meters this square park does it have? 75 meters. Am I right? is Pinky's park. Pinky traveled that path. And another one, the boy who was Bob, runs rectangular park. What is this what are the measurements of this rectangular park? With the length 160 meters and breadth 105 meters. This is Mr. Bob. He is Mr. Bob. Then who traveled more distance and by how much? Now first let us give first one. Given side of the square park, S is equal to 75 meters. S is equal to 75 meters. Now, distance travelled by Pinky is equal to perimeter of square. That implies 4 into, yes, that implies 4 into 75. That implies 300 meters travelled by Pinky. Okay. Now another given measurements of length of the rectangular park. L is equal to 160 meters. Next, breadth of the rectangular park, B is equal to 105 meters. Distance travelled by Bob. Distance travelled by Bob is equal to perimeter of rectangular park. Perimeter of rectangular park. That implies 2 into L plus B. That implies 2 into 160 plus 105. That implies 2 into 265. 200. That implies 530 meters. 530 meters. Am I right? 530. Then who travelled more distance, children? Clearly, Pinky travelled 300 meters only. Bob travelled 530 meters. Then clearly we can say that Bob travelled more distance. Therefore, here Bob travelled more distance. Bob travelled more distance. Okay, that implies 530 minus 300. That implies 230 meters more traveled. By how much he asked him, by how much distance did he travel more? How many meters more did he travel? 230. Why? Because Pinky travelled only 300 meters. Bob travelled 530 meters. Therefore, 230 meters travelled more. Bob travelled more by Pinky. Clear? Right. Okay, children? Have you finished now? Did you all finish? That's good. Now the next question is example 8. Example 8. What is this question, children? Now find the perimeter of a regular pentagon with each side measuring 3 centimeters. It's a one-word question. What is given here? Regular pentagon. Regular pentagon. Regular pentagon means with each side 3 centimeters or 3 meters. 3 centimeters. Okay. Now pentagon means 1, 2, 3. 4, 5. This is the pentagon. Each one 3. Okay. Now, therefore, number of sides 5. Perimeter of pentagon. That is like n into L. N means 5. L means 3 centimeters. That implies 15 centimeters. Okay. This is example 8. Now, I'll explain that example 9 also here. Look here. The perimeter of regular hexagon is 18 centimeters is given. The perimeter of regular hexagon. What is given? 9th question here. Given perimeter of regular hexagon. Perimeter of regular hexagon is given 18 centimeters. Hexagon means, what is the formula? Hexagon means how many sides? 6 sides. Hexagon means how many sides? 6 sides. Therefore perimeter then 6 into L. Therefore 6 into L is equal to 18 centimeter. Then L is equal to 18 by 6. Therefore L is equal to 3 centimeters. Therefore each side of a regular hexagon is equal to 3 centimeters. Am I right, children? These are the 2 questions. Question number 8, question number 9. Okay, clear? Clear? So first one is only side of the pentagon is given. Whenever pentagon means 5 sides. 5 into length of each side. Length of each side is 15 centimeters. But here perimeter of regular hexagon is given. Perimeter is given. Hexagon means 6 sides. So 6 into length of each side is equal to 18. Therefore L is equal to 3 centimeters. Therefore length of each side is 3 centimeters. Okay. Write this all of you. Write it.